Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone official teaser. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Alam niyo na ako guys na I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. Kaya hello sa lahat ng fans ng Harry Potter out there. Kamusta kayo guys? And finally, ito guys, mapapanood na naman natin ang Harry Potter in a new cast. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play the natin. So, here we go.
I told you. You are a normal boy. And you're going to start acting like one. You think you're something special? There is nothing special about you.
I've always wanted to know about my parents.
Your parents were the kindest, bravest people I ever met. They were funny and clever, and they stood up for what they believed was right. The next time I see you, we'll be in Hogwarts.
Ayun na.
Mr. Potter, I
Ayun,
think we can
kaibigan niya.
expect great things from you. Let's see who you are.
Are you really Harry Potter?
Yung mga kaibigan niya. Ang cute! Hello, nakaka-excite naman to. Christmas 2026.